do I love you? I'll tell you no lie. How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky? How many times a day do I think of you? How many roses are sprinkled with dew? How far would I travel to be where you are? How far is the journey from here to a star? And if I ever lost you, how much would I cry? How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky? As the rain that falls from above, so real, so right is our love. It came like the spring that breaks through the snow. I can't say what it may bring. I only know it's right to believe. Whatever gave your eyes this glow, whatever gave my heart this song, can't be wrong. That falls from above and fills the world with the bloom of our love. As rain must fall and day must dawn, this love must go